Here is a video of my new Harbor Breeze Mayfield. Installed it quite a while ago. And I'm just going to make the video with the ceiling fan. It's an antique bronze finish. It's a nice fan. Better than my other one I had, so starting low speed. Here's without the light, and here's with the light. And now here's high speed. It actually blows much better air than my other one. Now spin down. Yep, and that is it for my Harbor Breeze Mayfield. If you want to see this fan in reverse, comment down below. I'll make another video about it. But anyways, be sure to favorite, comment, like, and subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching.